What's up, guys? I hope everyone's having an awesome day. I hope everyone's doing well. I actually received a package from TurtleWax, and we're going to go ahead and do an unboxing right after this. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and see what we got here. Okay, awesome. We got the cleaner and disinfectant, so definitely needed that. All right, guys, so I've actually had this product now for about a month, and if you'd like, go ahead and check it out in my channel. Basically, this has become a part of my regimen. Along with the whole hand sanitizer and the mask, what I like to do is I like to take this and just spritz on my doorknobs, the door handles to the vehicle, the steering wheel, as well as the shifter. So that's basically it's just become a big part since I had I actually experienced COVID. I had COVID about 5 months ago, and it was not a good thing. Like, it was pretty crappy. But so I'm glad that TurtleWax came out with this, and when I was there for the unveiling, I was really happy about it. So that was cool. And now, like I said, it's become a part of my regimen. So thank you, TurtleWax, for sending me this. I actually have 3 bottles now. So I have one in the vehicle, one here in the house, and one for my display. So yeah, sometimes I've used this. I don't recommend it because it doesn't say it on here, but I'll use it. I have a little desk here to wipe it down. Also use it on my armrest, on my chair, on my office chair, and spritz it on there, leave it there for like 10 seconds and wipe it down. So I just like to try them in different areas and whatnot, and so far it hasn't discolored anything, but that's on y'all's own terms. Thank you again, TurtleWax. Really appreciate it. All right, guys, if you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, if you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe, and hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.